Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best rebar cutters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best rebar cutters that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the NEWTRY 1.26-inch hydraulic cable rebar ACSR Cutte. The NEWTRY 1.26-inch hydraulic cable rebar ACSR cutter is a manual tool that can cut up to 12 mm rebar, equivalent to number 4 rebar size, so it is ideal for lightweight jobs. Aside from rebar, it will also work on other materials, such as iron chains, steel strands, wire rope, aluminum strand, and various kinds of cables. With a non-slip textured rubber handle, its ergonomic design makes it easy to hold. Since its working angle can be adjusted up to 180 degrees, there's no more worry about using it in tight spaces. What's more, it has a 60 kilonewtons cutting force and heat-treated blades for faster cuts. Due to the portable design, it is easy to work with on nearly any job site or home garage. To prevent oil leakage, it has an adjustable oil return valve, which also reduces the need for maintenance. To improve the pressure applied when cutting, it has a two-way oil pump core. Moving on at number 4, we have the Happybuy electric rebar cutter. If you want a simple rebar cutter, the less expensive Happybuy electric rebar cutter is my suggestion. With a cutting speed of 3 to 5.5 seconds, even for such a small and budget-friendly tool, this one has a cutting capacity of up to number 8 rebar, 1 inch, grade 60. Weighing 70 pounds, its blade is made with high-precision alloy steel and it has a copper coil motor for added durability and stability. You can also adjust the rebar size from 4 to 25 millimeters. At number 3, we have the Metabo HPT electric rebar bender and cutter. Applicable for up to number 5 grade 60 rebar, 3/8, 1/2, and 5/8 inch. The Metabo HPT electric rebar bender and cutter not only cuts rebar but can also bend it, so it is a 2-in-1 tool for your arsenal. With its 8-amp motor and 530 watts of power, this model has a cutting time of about 3.1 seconds and a bending time of 5.1 seconds. What I like about this 39.7-pound tool is the preset dial, which allows you to change your preferred bending angle on the spot, to quickly complete each job without compromising accuracy. Due to the low-profile design, it is not only easy to store, but will also be a breeze to maneuver in awkward positions. At number 2, we have the Makita Cordless Rebar Cutter Kit, slicing up to 60 grade number 6 rebar, 3/4 inch, in about 6.5 seconds. The Makita XCS01T 118 volts LXT lithium-ion cordless rebar cutter kit is powered by a lithium-ion battery, which is useful for casual work, as it doesn't lose battery life when you store it. The cutting head also rotates up to 360 degrees for work flexibility, while it has a 90-degree adjustable stopper to ensure a smooth cut. In addition, I like the handle design, which has an ergonomic pistol grip. Compared to most rebar cutters that are 30 to 50 pounds, this one weighs only 24.3 pounds, so it will be helpful for those often experiencing user fatigue when carrying a heavy tool. Its 18 volts LXT lithium-ion 5.0 Ah battery also charges within 45 minutes for fewer waits between jobs. When you buy the tool, it comes with the battery, charger, and a handy tool case for easy transport. And since it is part of the LXT lithium-ion system from Makita, you can share batteries across different tools from the series. The tool is backed by a 3-year limited warranty for your convenience. And finally at number 1, we have the Metabo HPT electric rebar bender and cutter. If you are looking for one of the most powerful rebar benders and cutters, this can be an excellent choice. It has an 8 amps motor with an intense power of 530 W. Furthermore, this device is capable of bending 3 pieces at a time. This Metabo device is very easy to use since it comes with a one-handed dial. You can adjust the angles of the bend at 45, 90, 130, and 180 degrees present. Also, you can set it at custom bends. It comes with 2 cutting anvils, which you can easily replace in the field. The cutter is reversible and is rated at over 5,000 cuts. Further, it has 2 receiver points that can stabilize the bar during operation. This bender has a high-quality metal construction which makes it sturdier and more durable. It also has internal metal gears adding to the durability. Furthermore, it comes with a 5-year warranty. It provides excellent control with its large variable speed trigger. Additionally, it has a pre-drilled base that you can mount to the work surface. This base provides more stability and makes setting up the assembly line easier.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.